the arguments, if I may just make two submissions in rejoinder to persuade your lordship that this is a very serious issue. Today, maybe these students are in protest. Tomorrow, it may be somebody else, my lords, but this privacy violation of protesters is criminalizing a very fundamental democratic right. Our democratic right is not just to go and vote, but from time to time, we have a right to peacefully ventilate our grievances without being treated as criminals.
Petitioner agree. Any kind of videography by any individual, even in the mobile, should be prohibited by a lordship.
My lords, I kindly appreciate.
Everyone violates our
I understand your concern, but I know, lordship, that the Solicitor General is a person who would not take this adversarially, but to persuade my lords as well as the state, there is a difference between a journalist and a private individual
who are governed.
They are governed, my lords, by YouTube norms. They can be sued for defamation, and whatever videography they do, they cannot misuse it for criminalizing somebody. But when a state is doing videography, the state stands on a different footing from an individual. So this is a false equivalence. And lordship, my humble submission is this SOP which has been shown, my lords, I'm so grateful. The purpose of videography, my lords, Puttu Swami lays down a threefold test. There must be a law. They say SOP is the law. There must be a purpose. My lords, what is the purpose? Just to see the number of protesters. It is not to identify their names, their college, what clothes they are wearing, what other things they have, and then later to threaten them. There is a submission in this. So, my lords, for total number, there are CCTV cameras all over Jantar Mantar. They can videograph. My lords, may kindly have page number 35, my lords. Annexure P1. Please, I urge your lordship, not only as parents of Constitution, but as parents of children. Please see, my lords, page 37. Is this, the learned Solicitor General said, page 35 is that 360-degree camera. After that, my lords may see page 37 on...
It's necessary, my lord, for security reasons.
Private conversations are being recorded. And tomorrow, my lords, these recordings will be cut, paste, copied. And I have to face a trial. My lords, please see page 37. This man is roaming around in the crowd. What is his need? Look at this lady at page 38. She's not even in police uniform. She's a police officer. She has no name tag. We don't know what she's recording. This person, my lords, at page 39. Just look at him. He's intimidating people. And then they say the students have run away and politicians are there. Which student will have the courage? Sorry, sir, just allow me to finish. My lords, may kindly see this lady at page 41. In a private mobile phone, she's recording. And my lords, there's no data protection in this SOP. Once they have determined the number of people, what do they do with all this footage? Where do they secure it? Children wearing all kinds of clothes are coming. It can be
shipped. We are in court of law, ma'am. Calm down.
Yeah,
it's not a public rally, ma'am. Please. Please. Calm down. Calm down. Let us address the way we usually address the court.
So, my lords, my humble submission is that this lady at page 41 is a police officer, my lord. She is recording people on her personal mobile. All we are seeking, and if I was the state, I would have come up and offered it. Make a procedure, make a protocol. Say what the data will be used for and how it will be kept and how it will be destroyed. Because even for telephone tapping, there is a protocol. They would be hailed if they offered it themselves. What are we asking? Have a structure of law. Protect us from misuse.
My lord, kindly have it tomorrow, my lord, on Monday. I will place on record these very protesters, my lord, tweeting that everyone should continuously videograph everything.
So that is different. So that is different. A citizen in a state, can a citizen arrest someone on the basis of some data? Can a citizen go and put it in somebody's ACR? Can a citizen influence a college not to take admission? So please, you are on a much higher footing than us. What the Honorable Solicitor General can advise the government, we small lawyers can't. All we are
Let's
seeking is, my
not
lords, all
be
over
that
the
dramatic.
world, there are data protection laws. This is an important issue. It's not an adversarial issue. Let us not take it like that. My lords, let them give a detailed affidavit affidavit and hear it. Sorry, please, my lords.
On Monday, my lord, I will address your lordships in detail. My lord, this kind of proceedings, my lord, flare up. They are intended to flare up.
No, sir, we've not flared up. All of us don't have the Miller's benefit of having a deep baritone. Some of us are inflicted by God-given.
Anyway, I would
is-
again act irresponsibly and not be sarcastic, but
No,
this is.
Milord,
this is
some
something,
kind
my
of
lord,
an affidavit may be filed showing
no,
that
but
the
I'll
data
do
is
what
protected, Milord.
I should do.
Milord, in fact, there are these draft rules I couldn't verify. Please, Milord. Milord, in the meantime, let them file some kind of a response or affidavit.
But I'll decide, my
State
lord, what to
purpose-
do.
Milord, the learned Solicitor
Ma'am, there are
General.
issues and issues.
Milord, there's only one issue.
We need to make up our mind first.
Yes, my lord, please do that. Lord, and there is something, I don't wish to, my lord, say anything beyond
Yeah.
law, and I'm not saying anything beyond law.
Counsel,
But your lordship, with my lord's experience, knows what is happening.
I have addressed the court, however they remain inconclusive. List on money.
Item 4 and 60, Monday.
Great.
Was in item number 60, just one submission because that also touches upon